Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lisa.
Hello, Lisa. Hello to all our lovely listeners. I'm Mark, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Mark, you sound very thoughtful today.
Yes, Lisa, because today's topic is something that touches everyone's life.
That's right. Today we will practice English speaking about daily habits versus motivation.
Yes, a very interesting and useful conversation for beginners.
These are simple sentences you can use to talk about your routines and what keeps you going.
Perfect for people who want to improve their daily life and English at the same time.
Don't worry, we will speak slowly and clearly.
And we will repeat sentences and give easy, real examples.
But Mark, before we start,
Yes, our small request.
if you like learning English with us, please click the like button.
Subscribe to Daily English Chat to learn English step by step.
And share this video with a friend who wants to improve English.
Now, let's begin today's lesson.
Okay, Mark, what is the difference between daily habits and motivation?
Good question. Motivation is the feeling that makes you want to do something.
Like excitement or energy?
Yes, for example, I am motivated to exercise because I want to be healthy.
But motivation comes and goes.
Exactly. One day you feel motivated, next day you don't.
That's why daily habits are more important.
Daily habits are small actions you do every day, even without motivation.
Like brushing your teeth.
You don't need motivation to brush your teeth, you just do it.
Perfect example.
So, habits win in the long run.
Yes, motivation starts things, habits finish them.
Great way to say it.
Let's talk about my morning habit.
What do you do every morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Every day?
Yes, even weekends.
That's a strong habit.
Then I drink water.
Lemon water.
Yes, with lemon.
Healthy.
Then I do 10 minutes of stretching.
No gym?
Not every day, but stretching was easy.
Good habit.
Then I make breakfast.
What do you eat?
Oats and fruit.
Simple and healthy.
Then I read for 15 minutes.
Book or phone?
Real book.
Nice.
These habits make my day good, even if I'm not motivated.
I understand.
Now, your habits, Mark.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Later than me.
Yes.
First thing,
Check phone.
bad habit.
A little.
Then,
Then shower.
cold shower.
Sometimes.
Brave.
Then coffee.
Black.
Yes.
Then walk the dog.
Good exercise.
Yes.
Then start work.
Habit of early work.
Yes.
Evening habits.
Cook dinner.
What?
Simple pasta.
Good.
Then watch one episode.
Only one?
Habit.
Then read.
Before bed.
Good.
Bed at 11 p.m.
Consistent.
Now, how to build habits.
Start small.
Very small. Do it every day.
Same time.
Link to another habit.
After brushing teeth, drink water.
Easy.
Now let's talk about how to build good habits.
First tip, start very small.
Very small.
Like if you want to read, read one page.
Not one book.
Yes.
If you want to exercise, walk 5 minutes.
Not run 5 kilometers.
Exactly.
Small makes it easy.
You feel success.
Success makes you continue.
Good.
Second tip, do it at the same time.
Same time every day.
Like after breakfast, read.
Or after dinner, walk.
Habit links to time.
Third tip, link to another habit.
Habit stacking.
Yes.
After brushing teeth, drink water.
Easy.
Fourth tip, track it.
Use calendar.
Don't break the chain.
Motivating.
Fifth tip,
Yes. Now he goes every day.
how?
Small habit.
Just go to gym?
Even if no workout.
Habit of going.
Then workout comes.
Smart.
Books about habits?
Atomic Habits.
Good book.
Small changes, big results.
Yes.
The Power of Habit.
Also good.
Friend habits.
My friend wakes at 5 a.m.
How?
Habit?
Not motivation.
Yes.
Family habits.
Dinner together?
Every day.
Good for family.
Work habits.
Start work at same time.
Productive.
Study habits.
Study 25 minutes.
Pomodoro.
Then break.
Health habits.
Drink water.
8 glasses.
Money habits.
Save first.
Then spend.
Phone habits.
No phone in bed.
Good sleep.
Social media habits.
Time limit.
30 minutes.
That's a good start.
Yes, small time is easy.
After a week, increase.
To 40 minutes.
Then 50.
Build slowly.
Yes.
Now, bad habits.
Like too much phone.
How to stop.
Make it hard.
Phone in another room.
Or use timer app.
Replace with good habit.
Read book instead.
Yes.
Motivation stories.
I was not motivated for English.
But you made habit.
10 minutes daily.
Now better.
Habit wins.
My friend, Jim.
First week motivated.
Then stopped.
Now daily.
How?
Small habit.
Just go to the gym.
Workout comes later.
Smart.
Books about habits.
Atomic habits.
Good book.
Small changes.
Big results.
Power of habit.
Also good.
Friend habits.
Friend weeks 5 a.m.
Habit.
Not motivation.
Family habits.
Dinner together.
Every day.
Good for family.
Work habits.
Start same time.
Productive.
Study habits.
25-minute study.
Pomodoro.
Then break.
Health habits.
Drink water.
8 glasses.
Money habits.
Save first.
Then spend.
Phone habits.
No phone bed.
Good sleep.
Social media.
Time limit.
30 minutes.
Sleep habits.
Same time bed.
Better sleep.
Exercise habits.
Daily walk.
Fresh air.
Reading habits.
1 chapter.
Every night.
Writing habits.
Journal.
Gratitude.
Meditation.
5 minutes.
Calm mind.
Gratitude habit.
3 things thankful.
Every night.
Happy.
Planning habit.
Plan next day.
Night before.
Better day.
Cleaning habit.
10 minutes daily.
House clean.
Cooking habit.
Cook 1 meal.
Healthy food.
Shopping habit.
List before shop.
No extra. Weekend habits.
Family time.
No work.
Yes, rest is important.
Now holiday habits.
Travel or stay home.
Stay home.
Read books.
Watch movies.
Family time.
Good. New Year habits.
New goals.
But small.
Yes.
Motivation versus discipline.
Motivation temporary.
Discipline permanent.
Habit is discipline.
Yes.
Famous quotes.
We are what we repeatedly do.
Excellence is habit.
Aristotle.
Good quote.
Another, motivation gets you started, habit keeps you going.
True.
Common mistakes.
Too many habits.
Start 1.
No tracking.
Use app.
No reward.
Small treat.
Give up early.
Be patient.
Habit examples famous.
Obama read every night.
Habit.
Athletes daily practice.
No motivation needed.
Friend talk roleplay.
Hey, how your new habit?
Walking daily.
Good?
Yes, feel better.
Keep going.
Family roleplay.
Mom, I started reading.
Proud of you.
Thank you.
Colleague roleplay.
You look fit.
Gym habit.
How?
Every day.
Inspired.
Pronunciation tips.
Habit. Habit.
Motivation. Motivation.
Discipline. Discipline.
Consistent. Consistent.
Repeat. I have a daily habit.
Again.
Vocabulary.
Routine.
Daily actions.
Trigger.
Start habit.
Reward.
After habit.
Chain.
Don't break.
Viewer practice.
Say, my habit is.
Your turn.
Good.
Challenge.
Share one good habit in the comments.
Or one you want to start.
We read all.
Motivate each other.
Thank you for watching till the end.
You are amazing for building habits.
And learning English.
God bless you.
Have a wonderful day.
See you.